Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to create an account on TapTap Send. This app allows you to send money internationally quickly, safely, and conveniently. Let's get started. First, download the TapTap Send app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Install it on your mobile device and open the app. Next, start the registration process. Tap Sign Up or Create Account and provide your mobile number. A verification code will be sent via SMS. Then, enter the verification code. Type in the code you received to confirm your mobile number and proceed with the registration. After that, set up your personal details. Fill in your full name, email address, date of birth, and any other required information accurately. Next, create a secure password. Choose a strong password for your account and make sure you remember it. Tap Continue or Next to proceed. Finally, verify your identity. Upload any required identification documents if prompted. This step ensures your account is secure and ready for international transfers. Quick tips. Always use a valid phone number to receive the verification code. Keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. Complete the verification process to unlock all features of the app. Creating a TapTap Send account is quick, safe, and easy when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.